Hi, my name is Ms. Poyon, and I create this piano course to help all my students and also all the people that want to have a basic piano and want to build the foundation correctly. And I will show you each step one by one, from how music works, what you see, how to read music, and how to apply it to your playing step by step, and how to keep up with time with the backing track as well. It's so important. It's all come from practice that you can keep your music going. And also you have to apply this foundation to your playing so that you can grow and build your journey smoothly. Okay, so we're gonna do open and close, open and close, and your wrist has to be flexible to bounce around the key so you don't lock it in and create tensions. So always relax and always feel it's really gentle. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. First, our finger is mirroring. Okay, it's like this. It's not in one way. So that's why we say thumbkin. It's like you are the best. So thumbkin is always number one. And then it will go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So practice your finger number is like a guidance to tell your hand where to place your hand and position so that one day you won't run out of finger and play. So knowing your finger where to start and how to use your finger is very important in playing piano. We will always create a habit of curving your finger by doing the donut shape. And then we're going to travel, start from the left side, right in your belly button. If you sit in front of the brand, you will see this 2 black key is our center. And that's why we call it, this is a middle C. And then we're going to play travel going down one by one like a chicken pecking rooster that eats the food, one by one like this, until you reach to the very end. Let's start from middle C and we travel down. Next, right hand side, same thing. We're going to travel from middle C. Upwards is always that way, as high sound is here. So you're going to remember to travel to the right when it's going high. Now we're going to explore just the 2 black key on the piano from side to side. Start from the left side, 2 black key. We're going to travel down one by one with our vision and finding where the set of 2 black key here with these 2 finger, the long finger that we have. Okay, and make sure you got a curve even though as you play on the black key. Now we're going to start warm up our finger by number and say, start from middle C and we're gonna go 2, 3, play together, 2, 3, play together, going down lower, 2, 3, play together and to the lowest. And then sing with me, it's called 2 black ants. 2 black ants move, ding, ding, down, move to their home, move in the ground. On the right side is called 2 blackbirds. Same thing. First thing we find the 2 black key, travel to the right side of your body, and now we're gonna start by saying the number 2, 3 together, move. 2, 3 together, move. 2, 3 together, high. 2, 3 together. Now sing with me. Go. 2 blackbirds flying high, going up to the sky. Next one is we're gonna explore on 3 black key on the left side. Start from the middle, which is in front of you. We're gonna find the 3 black key first, another 3 black keys, and the last one. And then we're gonna say the number one by one. Ready, set, go. 2, 3, 4 together and move. 2, 3, 4 together and move. 2, 3, 4 together. Now let's sing the song with me. It's called Into the Cave. Ready, set, go. Into the cave to move. If you are brave to move deep down and low. Now we are on our right hands. First thing, right in front of us, we're gonna find the 3 black keys. Another one on the right side and keep traveling higher and higher. Now we're gonna come back to the 3 black keys. We're gonna say the number, which is 2, 3, 4. Ready, set, go. 2, 3, 4 together and move. 2, 3, 4 together and move. 2, 3, 4 together, and the last time it says 3 of them together. Now we're gonna sing the song. Ready, set, go. Kittens are we to move, cute as can be to move, playing the keys to move. Meow.